Nissan has been established in Sunderland for 30 years, first breaking ground in 1984. Since that time they've invested more than £3.85 billion in the plant, a huge investment for the UK and in particular for the North East region. The plant is fully integrated. It takes in steel coil, aluminium ingots and plastic pellets and makes complete vehicles. Over and above the factory investment, Nissan have an international design centre in Paddington and an engineering centre in Cranfield. So it's a truly integrated operation, which means cars like the Qashqai are designed, engineered and manufactured in the UK. Continuing strong growth in motor vehicle production has led to a great deal of demand from Nissan suppliers for additional space. We've welcomed many new companies to the region who've won successive contracts, and many have expanded on site as their production has increased. Some are now built out to the perimeter and may require new space if there is a need to expand further. Several also supply to other automotive manufacturers in the UK or to continental Europe from their sites here in the northeast of England. Sunderland and South Tyneside local authorities have worked with landowners and developers to bring additional land forward for development to accommodate these needs. This includes working jointly to create a new advanced manufacturing park of international standing, the IAMP. IAMP will be a 100-hectare business park, built over 3 phases with room for over 260,000 square metres of industrial development space, focused on advanced manufacturing, particularly the automotive industries. In discussions with Nissan's senior management, it became evident that there were clear advantages to the park being in close proximity to the plant, as well as major trunk roads, including the A19. The UK government has designated IAMP a nationally significant infrastructure project, and planning permission is well advanced, with an area action plan and a development consent order approaching their final stages before submission. Phase 1 of the scheme, which is particularly relevant to bidders for the new Qashqai and X-Trail vehicle components, is being accelerated to make sure it's ready in good time as a location for suppliers to meet Nissan's production schedules, which means autumn 2018. Also in close proximity is the Sunderland Low Carbon Enterprise Zone, a 32-hectare site ready for immediate commercial development. It is located across 2 sites close to Nissan's Sunderland plant, Hillthorne and Turbine business parks. The IAMP development will include a high-quality services hub. Located to the south of the site, the hub will be close to the Nissan plant, and it will be a focal point for people working in the area to meet, gain refreshment, collaborate and socialise. It will incorporate small shops, restaurants, cafes, a 150-bed hotel, childcare facilities, education and training, plus a public transport interchange. So, as we approach the perimeter of the Nissan plant, we can see the land immediately to the north, which will form the IAMP. The road leading off to the northeast is the A1290, which Nissan currently uses for the export of vehicles via the port of Tyne. This road will become a dual carriageway, and it will provide the main points of access to the IAMP sites, as well as the national highway infrastructure. All the usual utilities, including power and drainage, will be provided with the new road infrastructure. A new low-level bridge will connect the northern part of the site to the A1290 and the junction with the A19. An ecological corridor with leisure access for employees and visitors will be provided, centred around the River Don corridor, and will include new and improved habitats such as marshy grassland, hedgerows, wetlands and trees. 2 major improvement schemes are underway for the A19 trunk road. Firstly, the A19 A184 junction, known as Testos, is being improved by the creation of an elevated section for the main north-south carriageway. This will improve capacity and reduce journey times to and from the Port of Tyne by 6 minutes off a 20-minute journey. The UK government is also investing in the downhill junction, which is the main access from IAMP to the A19. This includes a bridge to the south of the junction, linking Washington Road and the A1290, providing an alternative route and improving vehicle movement around the site. The £100 million new Weir crossing and the completion of the Sunderland Strategic Transport Corridor will provide good access to the nearby Port of Sunderland. The International Advanced Manufacturing Park will provide the ideal location for companies seeking new facilities to meet the requirements of Nissan for the new Qashqai and X-Trail vehicle parts. But also, beyond these immediate contract opportunities, IAMP will provide a platform for further expansion into the UK markets and to export worldwide.